Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a tech term you've probably heard tossed around a lot, Docker. But what is Docker really? And why are developers obsessed with it? Don't worry, I've got you. In the next few minutes, we're going to break it all down with simple analogies, no tech jargon, and make it super easy to understand. Let's go. Imagine you want to bake your favorite chocolate cake. You got the recipe, but every time you bake it in a different kitchen, something goes wrong. The oven is too hot, some ingredients are missing, or the mixer works differently. Even though it's your recipe, it doesn't work the same everywhere. That's exactly what happens in software development. You write code that works perfectly on your laptop, but when you give it to someone else or run it on a server, it breaks. Why? Because their environment is different. Different operating system, missing libraries, different software versions. You get the idea. Here's where Docker comes in. It solves this exact problem. So let's go back to our cake analogy. What if you could package your cake ingredients, oven, utensils, and even the air in the kitchen, all inside one box? You ship that box anywhere in the world, and when someone opens it, boom, the exact same kitchen pops out, and the cake comes out perfectly every time. That's Docker. It packages your application and everything it needs to run into a neat little container. Wherever you run that container, on your computer, your friends, or on a cloud server, it behaves exactly the same. Okay, so what's this thing we keep calling a container? Think of a container like a mini virtual computer, but way lighter and faster. Unlike virtual machines, which are like full-blown houses with their own walls, plumbing, and power, Docker containers are like apartments in a shared building. They share the plumbing and walls, but each one is isolated and self-sufficient. This means you can run many containers on one machine without using tons of resources. Let's say you're building a website. You need a web server, a database, and maybe a backend API. With Docker, you can put each of these parts in separate containers. One container for the web server, one for the database, and so on. You don't have to worry about setting things up manually or dealing with version issues. Docker handles all of that. And the best part? You can share your Docker container with anyone, and it'll just work. It's like giving someone a Lego set. Snap it together, and it's ready to go. So, why is Docker such a big deal? It makes apps portable. They run anywhere. It's fast. Containers start in seconds. It saves time. No more it works on my machine headaches. It's great for teams. Everyone works in the same environment. It's awesome for deployment. Go from coding to production in a breeze. Docker is like having a magic suitcase for your software. Everything you need is inside, and it opens up exactly the same wherever you go. So to sum it up, Docker is a tool that helps developers build, share, and run applications easily by packing them into containers that are consistent, portable, and efficient. If you're just starting out in tech, learning Docker is a super useful step that'll make your life a lot easier down the road. If you enjoyed this explanation, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a hands-on tutorial next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.